The 2007 Compass. The Jeep Compass has a solid, sophisticated 16-valve engine. It features electronic variable valve timing that continually changes the torque curve, bringing more versatility to the 165 peak pound-feet of torque and more capability to the 172 peak horsepower, and is priced below $10,000. This vehicle has less than 90,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: dual airbags, power steering, aluminum wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, rear window defroster, CD player, electronic stability control, fog lights, brake assist. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.